How to add or link TD Bank to PayPal. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add or link TD Bank to PayPal. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to add TD Bank to PayPal, what you can do is simply go ahead and here I'll be using the particular link thanks to PayPal website here, support website. How do you link bank account to PayPal? Now, linking your TD Bank is same, right, to linking any bank account. You can link your bank account instantly by entering your bank login details. We'll use a third-party provider to confirm your bank account details and to check your balance and transactions as needed. Simply to link a bank on the web, go to Wallet, click Link a card or bank, click Link a bank account, search for your bank or select it from the list. You can link your bank instantly by entering your bank login details. If the instant option isn't available, enter your bank account details manually and click Agree and Link. So this is how you can easily link your TD Bank to PayPal. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.